and welcome to your Miami Trainers Weekly Update, the first weekly tip for 2020. Join us this week for social media marketing, Agent 3000, Matrix, and so much more. For more information, visit miamirealtors.com/calendar and be sure to register. Now for our tip of the week. Are you looking for information to share a newsfeed for your website? Visit our webpage and click the gateway. Once you reach the dashboard, notice that on the right-hand side you have trending news, World Property Journal, with information on commercial real estate and local and world information. If you're interested, simply click and enjoy real estate news syndication service. Always keep your customers up to date. Grow your own online audience with daily automated and very cost-effective news feeds. Remember, if you're interested, from our gateway, click through and get more. Thank you for being a Miami member.